Right now we are working on a practice coupon going uphill with a 7018 rod. We're burning about 113 amps. This is a inch coupon, but it's a scrap coupon. And the goal is to teach him how to stay consistent with the bead, to tie in, and to stack the beads. Once you put the root pass in, then you go on the side of it to start putting your filler beads in and just taking your time. And the main thing is to stay consistent. You see how he's just taking his time. He's trying to maintain that same travel speed all the way up. And like I say, family, this is a practice situation, so you have to practice, but you'll get better and better over time. But you have to stay consistent and you have to keep burning, fam. Look at him, he's almost there. You're gonna watch him do this all the way out. And like I say, family, he's practicing. He's not a professional yet, but that's our goal, is to get him to professionalism, where he can knock it out. See what we got going on. We're gonna clean it out. Clean it out, see what we got, fam.
I went way over there too.
So, as you see, you have to start from the side, but he's practicing. You start here, you just want to stay consistent. And you see he got off a little bit over there and went off his line, so he covered up more plate. And then he got consistent. But as you see, the bead is good. So his bead is good, he's just staying consistent and keeping it straight is what we're working on.
Grind that back down.
Hold on.